8 soft skills that pay you forever. Not all wealth comes in the form of money. Some of the most valuable assets you can acquire are soft skills, those human-centered qualities that shape the way we communicate, solve problems, and grow with others. Whether you're a student, a professional, or a dreamer building something big, mastering soft skills is a timeless investment. In this video, discover 8 soft skills that pay you forever. With examples, common mistakes, and learning resources, you'll gain tools that boost not just your career, but your confidence, your relationships, and your impact. Ready to build lifelong value? Let's begin. 1. Emotional intelligence. Emotional intelligence, or EQ, is the ability to recognize, understand, and manage your own emotions and those of others. It's what helps you stay grounded during conflict and connected in conversations. Honest communication, active listening, and empathy are central to building emotional trust. Avoiding tough conversations or reacting impulsively can erode that trust quickly. To build your EQ, read Emotional Intelligence by Daniel Goleman. Watch Susan David's TED Talk, The Gift and Power of Emotional Courage, and explore LinkedIn Learning's course on emotional intelligence at work. EQ is the emotional glue that holds strong relationships and successful teams together. 2. Communication. Communication is more than speaking, it's the art of connecting. Great communicators speak clearly, use open body language, and ask questions that build understanding. They know it's just as important to listen as it is to talk. On the flip side, interrupting others, using overly complex words, or ignoring nonverbal cues can create confusion and distance. If you want to improve, Crucial Conversations by Joseph Grenny and team is a great read. Pair that with Brené Brown's TED Talk, The Power of Vulnerability, and Coursera's Effective Communication course. The way you say something often matters more than what you say. 3. Critical thinking. Critical thinking is your ability to assess situations, information, and ideas with clarity and reason. It helps you pause, question, and analyze before jumping to conclusions. Strong critical thinkers ask why, consider multiple perspectives, and seek out evidence, even if it challenges their views. In contrast, blindly accepting claims or making snap judgments often leads to poor decisions. You can sharpen this skill by reading Danielle Kahneman's Thinking Fast and Slow, watching Helen Lee Bouygues' TED Talk, Critical Thinking for Better Judgment, and taking EDX's Critical Thinking Skills course. It's the foundation of smart choices in a noisy world. 4. Negotiation. Negotiation isn't just for boardrooms, it's a skill we use daily. From asking for a raise to settling disagreements, good negotiators prepare ahead, listen actively, and aim for win-win outcomes. They stay calm, respectful, and open to dialogue. Poor negotiators, on the other hand, rush into decisions, make things personal, or corner others with ultimatums. Chris Voss's Never Split the Difference is a must-read to master negotiation psychology. William Urey's TED Talk, The Walk from No to Yes, offers key insights, and Coursera's Negotiation Skills course will sharpen your approach. Good negotiation builds bridges, not battlegrounds. 5. Adaptability. In a world that never stops changing, adaptability is what keeps you ahead. It's the ability to pivot, learn, and evolve, especially when things don't go as planned. Adaptable people stay curious, embrace feedback, and keep a positive mindset through uncertainty. Resistance to change or blaming others when things go wrong, however, stalls growth. To strengthen your adaptability, start with Who Moved My Cheese? By Spencer Johnson. Watch Guy Kawasaki's TED Talk, The Art of Innovation, and explore Udemy's course on adaptability and resilience. The more flexible you are, the more opportunities you create for yourself. 6. Leadership. True. Leadership isn't about authority. It's about influence, vision, and integrity. Great leaders motivate their teams, provide constructive feedback, and lead through action, not just words. They make the hard decisions and take responsibility when things go wrong. Poor leaders often micromanage, shy away from tough conversations, or play favorites. To cultivate your leadership style, read Leaders Eat Last by Simon Sinek. Watch his TED Talk, How Great Leaders Inspire Action, and check out Harvard Online's Leadership Principles course. Leadership begins with self-awareness and grows when you lift others up. 7. Time management. Time is your most valuable resource, and managing it well is a superpower. Effective time managers know how to set goals, prioritize tasks, and protect their focus using tools like calendars and timers. Without this skill, it's easy to fall into the trap of procrastination, distraction, and burnout. Want to take control of your time? Read Getting Things Done by David Allen. Watch Laura Vanderkam's TED Talk, How to Gain Control of Your Free Time. And try LinkedIn Learning's Time Management Mastery course. Managing time isn't about doing more. It's about doing what matters. 8. Creativity. Creativity is not limited to artists. It belongs to anyone who seeks new ideas, solves problems, or dreams of better ways. It flourishes when you welcome new perspectives, share ideas freely, and allow yourself to fail. Fear of judgment or clinging to outdated methods stifles creativity fast. To unlock yours, read Creative Confidence by Tom and David Kelly. Watch Ken Robinson's classic TED Talk, Do Schools Kill Creativity? And try Coursera's Creative Problem-Solving course. Creativity isn't just thinking outside the box, it's realizing there never was one. So, friends, now it's your turn. How many of these 8 powerful soft skills have you learned, and which ones are still hidden inside you, which, with just a little hard work, can become an asset that will give you lifelong returns? Remember, emotional intelligence connects you to the hearts of people. Communication makes your words a bridge. Critical thinking gives you the power to think differently from the crowd. Negotiation improves every relationship and deal. Adaptability lets you see the opportunity in every change. Leadership doesn't just take you forward, it also lifts others. Time management teaches you to master your most precious commodity. Time. Creativity gives you the power to create a new world. What to do now? Reflect. Which of these is your strongest skill? Choose. Choose one skill and improve it every day for the next 7 days. Take action. Start with the books, courses, and TED Talks mentioned above. Commit. Make a goal to learn a new soft skill every week. Share. Share this video with your friends, team, or anyone who wants to grow in life. Why? Because soft skills are not a certificate, they are a way of life. These are the things that speak before your words, have an impact without you saying anything, and stay in the memory of others long after you are gone. It's not just a photo story, it's a roadmap. A roadmap that makes you not just a professional, but a better person. Comment. Which soft skill are you going to work on first, and why? If you haven't followed along yet, subscribe. Because we're going to be doing a deep dive into each skill in the coming days. Press the bell icon so you don't miss your next step. Grow daily, communicate better, think sharper, lead boldly, create freely. Because these are not just skills, they're your superpowers.